Hi, welcome to our electromagnetic field theory course. In this video, I will solve a problem related to calculation of primary parameters of the transmission line. In this problem, we have the data like this. A distortion line has Z naught equal to 60 ohms, alpha is 20 milli Napier per meter, alpha is 20 milli Napier per meter, and U equal to 0.6 into C, where C is the speed of the light in vacuum. That value is 3 into 10 to the power 8 meters per second. Then find R comma L comma C comma G and lambda at 100 megahertz. Given line is a distortionless line. For the distortionless line, the condition is what? R by L equal to G by C. So that is RC equal to LG. This condition is given in the data as a distortionless line. Z naught equal to 60 ohms, alpha is 20 milli Napier per meter. As it is in the Napier per meter, no need to go for the conversion. If it is in the decibel per meter, we need to convert that decibels into Napiers. Here U equal to 0.6 into C means that is 3 into 10 to the power 8 meters per second. For distortionless line, alpha equal to what? Root Rg. So from this we can write that is root R, and here we can replace this G as what? That is Rc by L. So that's why here that G is replaced with Rc by L. Then this can be written as what? R into root C by L. So and beta equal to what? Omega root LC, and Z naught equal to root L by C, U equal to 1 by root LC. As alpha equal to root R by CL like this can be written as what? Alpha equal to R by Z naught. Since Z naught is L by C, where in this one we have what? Root C by L. It is nothing but what? Reciprocal of this one. So that's why R by Z naught. R equal to what? Alpha into Z naught. By substitution we got alpha alias 1.2 ohm per meter. And let us take this as equation A. We require what? R is over. We require G. If I apply square on both sides, I will get what? Alpha square equal to what? Rg. Then G can be written as what? Alpha square by R. After simplification, we will get G value as what? 333 micro Siemens per meter. The units of G is Siemens per meter or else Mohs per meter. And let us take what? That is equation 1 and 2. 1 into 2. So means on left hand side what we have? Z naught and here U. Okay, we will get like this, that is C equal to 1 by Z naught into U. Then C value as what? Like this, and after simplification we will get C value like this, that is C equal to 92.59, and units are what? Picofarad per meter. This value is nothing but what? Picofarad per meter. In terms of farad per meter, pico means 10 to the power minus 12. So this is value of C. And last one, what is that? So R is over, G is over, C is over. We require what? L. So then L can be determined by using this relation, that is Z naught equal to what? Root L by C. We can write, I will write this one as Z naught equal to root L by C. Then L equal to what? Apply square on both sides. We will get what? Z naught square equal to what? L by C. Then L equal to what? C into Z naught square. C into Z naught square. As we determined C value as 92.59 picofarad per meter means 10 to the power minus 12 into Z naught square. What about the Z naught value? Z naught value is given as what? 60. So this 60. So then this value, the value of L is nothing but what? The value of L is nothing but 333 nano Henry per meter. Nano Henry per meter. So that is L equal to Z naught square into C. Okay. Okay, sorry, it is not 60. C into Z naught square means what? Z naught is 60, then 60 whole square, that gives what? 333 nano Henry per meter. And last one, we need to determine what lambda. I will find that lambda here itself. That is lambda equal to what? Velocity by frequency, or else velocity equal to what? Phase velocity is the product of the frequency and wavelength. Here u can be written as what? 0.6 into 3 into 10 to the power 8. And we have what? Frequency f has what? 100 megahertz, means 100 into 10 to the power 6, means 100 into 10 to the power 6 is 10 to the power 8. This 10 to the power 8 cancel out. Finally we got what? 0.6 into 3, that is nothing but 1.8 meters. Wavelength is measured in terms of the meters. So this is the lambda value, and we have the r value. R value as what? 1.2 ohm, and g value like this, c value 92.59, and what about that L is C into Z naught square, that is 333, approximately 333 nano henry per meter, and lambda equal to 1.8 meter. I will write all these values here, that is R equal to what? 1.2 ohm per meter, and G equal to what? G equal to 333 micro Siemens per meter, and L equal to what? 333 nano henry per meter, and C equal to what? 92.59 picofarad per meter, and last one, that is what? Lambda, that is 1.8 meters. So these are the required values. R, L, C, G are known as primary parameters of the light. This is all about this video. We will meet in next video. Thank you.